Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the phone app and going straight to contacts. This gets you to the list fast. Once there, locate the person or number. Use the search bar if needed. Tap the contact to reveal every phone entry and label. Make sure to confirm which specific number you want to remove because deleting the wrong one is irreversible in some sync setups. If the contact is synced from iCloud or another account, note that deletion will propagate across devices. You now tap Edit in the top right corner to modify the contact. This exposes individual fields. Scroll to the number field you identified and tap the red minus icon or the small delete button next to it. This removes the line from the contact card. Make sure there are no hidden duplicates. Check below for other number entries. Once the unwanted number is gone, press Done to save. The change will sync to iCloud or your linked accounts, so other devices update too. You finish by reopening the contact to confirm the number no longer appears. That final check prevents surprises. If the number still shows, go to Settings, right arrow Contacts, right arrow Accounts, and inspect each account that syncs contacts, because a synced source can reintroduce entries. If needed, toggle Contact Sync Off then On for that specific account to force a refresh. If problems continue, sign into iCloud.com or the account's web portal to remove.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.